Hi, and welcome to another tutorial in voice assistant series. In case you haven't watched the last tutorial, please watch it and then continue watching. Alright, now let's jump in and get started. Now that we have used Weather API in our program, we will use the News API. This API can be used to get the latest news. You can listen to the news headlines of 50 countries separated into 7 categories just by supplying the ID of that country. So head over to https://newsapi.org. On this page, click on Get API. Now fill out this registration form. So here you have your API key. Copy it. Now here click on Get Started. Now here click on Python. Copy this code. Back to our program. Paste the code here. Now here enter your API key. In the next line write a try block and move this line inside here. Now write an accept block and type talk. Please check your connection. Now let's remove this print statement as we don't need it. In the next line type news equals json.load and inside the parenthesis response.text. Now let's write a for loop to iterate over title and description. So for new in news, now add square brackets and inside the square brackets type articles. In the next line let's print the news title on the terminal. So print add parenthesis and inside the parenthesis stir. Again add parenthesis and type new. Now add square brackets and inside the square brackets add quotations and type title. Now add a comma. Now again add quotations and type \n. In the next line type doc, add parenthesis. Now add stir, add parenthesis, new. Inside the square brackets add quotations and type title. In the next line type engine.run and wait. Here A and W are in uppercase. In the next line print stir of new, add square brackets, add quotations and type description, comma, add quotations and type \n. In the next line, talk, stir of new. Now add square brackets and add quotations and type description. In the next line, type engine.run and wait. Now here we have the country set to the US. You can change the country by changing the IDs. To get the IDs, head over to https://newsapi.org/sources. Here you can see the IDs of different countries. And back to our program, let's test this program. So assistant, what is the latest news?
Microsoft is releasing a non-subscription Office suite in 2021, Engadget. The company has been pushing Microsoft 365 for years now as the main way to get its Office apps. Microsoft's Xbox Series X 1 TB expandable storage priced at $219.99, The Verge. Expandable storage for the Xbox Series X/S will start at $219.99. A 1 TB option is being provided by Seagate, allowing Xbox Series X and S owners to get more storage for next-gen games.
And there you go, we have it. If you ever noticed, when you switch on Alexa, it greets the user first and then takes the commands. So now we are going to write a program using the Google Calendar API to greet the user and also remind them about today's events that are on their calendar. So first head over to https://developers.google.com/calendar. On this page click on Calendar API. Here click on Python. Now click on Enable the Google Calendar API. Now download the credential.json file from the prompt. Place the credential.json file in your working directory. Now we need the Calendar API. The Calendar API lets you integrate your app with Google Calendar. To install this module on this page, copy this and paste it in your terminal. Now copy this code from here to here and let's paste it in our program. Make sure the __future___ module is at the start of the file. Now return service at the end. Now let's rename this function to Google_calendar. Now you don't need to worry about this code here. Let's define a function called calendar_events. So def calendar_events and inside the parenthesis pass two parameters num, service. In the next line type talk. Now add quotations and type hey there, good day. Hope you are doing fine. These are the events to do today. Now back to this page, copy this code. Now let's change this getting the upcoming 10 events to F add quotation getting the upcoming. Now add flower brackets num events, and here let's change max results equals 10 to max results equals num. Now if we call this program, we will get the event like test event at 1 p.m. We will not get the minutes. So we need the date in a clear understandable format. So we want to get when the event starts. Start underscore time equals string of start.split, and inside the parentheses add quotations and type t. Now add square brackets and type 1 dot split, and inside the parentheses add quotations. Now inside the quotations add an hyphen. Now add square brackets and type 0. Now let's check if the event is in the morning, meaning before 12. So if int and inside the parentheses start underscore time dot split, now inside the parentheses add quotations and colon. Now add square bracket and 0 is less than 12. Start underscore time equals start underscore time plus add quotations and type am. Now if the event is not before 12, the event will be after 12. So let's convert 24 hours time into 12, meaning if it's 13, it will say 1. So else start underscore time equals string of int parenthesis start underscore time dot split, add quotations and add a colon. Now add square brackets and type 0 minus 12 start underscore time equals start underscore time plus inside the quotations pm. So now talk f add quotations, now add flower brackets event underscore today at again add flower bracket start underscore time. Now let's write a try block. Try. Here let's call these functions. Service equals Google underscore calendar. Now let's call the calendar events function and pass two arguments. 10. This will fetch 10 events at maximum. So calendar underscore events 10, service. Now let's write an except block. So except talk. Could not connect to the local Wi-Fi network. Please try again later. In the next line, exit. Here, exit will stop executing the program if you are not connected to the Wi-Fi network.
So that is it for this tutorial. Please support my hard work by liking this video and sharing it with others. Also leave a comment letting me know what more do you want to learn in this voice assistant series. Also subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you soon.